10 minutes to practice Qigong, circulating our energy and blood, okay? So breathe in, left leg front, and then you open your palms, your shoulder maximum this way. Open your chest. Breathe out, you bring your palms back and your left leg back, okay? Your breathing leads the movements, okay? When you breathe slow, and then your movement slower. For today's exercise, we have 10 minutes to practice Qigong, circulating our energy, Qi, and blood, okay? So let us do the short warming up. Swing the body to the left and to the right. Gently move your knees a little bit, lose your knees a little bit. Breathe in. Allow yourself to relax your shoulders, your knees, and your lower back. In. From the left, and stretch your left hand. Look in the back. Breathe in. Release it. Breathe out. In. Out. Inhale. Exhale. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Breathe out. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment and feel your 2 feet on the ground. 2 palms in front of your lower abdomen, and that is where you focus your attention at your lower dantian, lower abdomen. Feel grounded, relaxed, and connect to the earth. And you offer a gentle smile to yourself, to your body. Okay, so the first movement we call the open your chest. Okay, so breathe in, left leg front, and then you open your palms, your shoulder maximum this way. Open your chest. Breathe out, you bring your palms back and your left leg back. Okay, breathe in, your right leg front. Out. Allow yourself to breathe in and out naturally through your nose and open your chest. In. Out. This movement can help you to open your lungs, to heal, to breathe and circulate your energy. In. Relax. Out. Feel the body. Enjoy your breathing. In. Out. In. Out. One more time from the right leg. In. Out. That's wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale. Relax the body. Exhale. Release tensions from the body. Allow your chest, your shoulders, your arms to relax. Sometimes we have so much tensions from your shoulders, from your chest. Every day we hold in the stress on our body, but we don't know. So when you have a time to stretch your shoulders, you have a time to release all tensions and smile to yourself, smile to your body, okay? So the next one, we call the squats and draw the circle, okay? 2 legs open wider than your shoulders, okay? Your 2 hands from your lower abdomen, from here. Breathe in, you can move towards your chest, to the body, towards your face. And then reach up the sky, and then you open your palms, stretch this way, and then you breathe out, let it go, draw the circle with your 2 arms, okay? You squat your body down, lower down with your knees in this way, okay? You can do as far as you can, okay? Don't force yourself. Breathe in, up, out, opens. So you allow yourself to draw the circle with your hands in. Circulate the energy, you feel your energies go up your chest and let it go. Breathe out, let it go. Relax the lower abdomen, relax. In. Out. Feel your legs. In. Feel your palms. Out. In. Out. I feel so good when I do these movements because it allows myself to relax and let go all tensions and worries from my body. Allow myself to circulate the energy, to be calm and be grounded. In, out. So your breathing leads the movement, okay? When you breathe slow and then your movement slower. In, deep. Out, slow. In. Out. One more time. In. That's wonderful. Inhale. Exhale. Allow myself to relax, to release tensions from my shoulders, my back,